So let's talk about practice, no? Bakit ka ba yung iba parang kahit gaano katagal sila mag-practice hindi rin na nakukuha, and why some people practice a shorter amount of time pero mas mabilis nila nakukuha yung mga bagay-bagay. Ano nga ba yung diskarte dito, and how you could actually develop your own practice routine para magawa mo to, no? Okay, so a lot of beginners tend to see practice as form of repetition, which is tama naman talaga, no? Pero some people see it as a way na parang mas maraming reps mas maganda, no? Mas maraming beses uulitin, mas mabilis makukuha. But in reality, hindi ganun, no? Actually, the more efficient your practice becomes, the more silent it gets, eh. Kasi mas less yung repeat of doing or figuring out one thing, more ng paggamit ng isip or intellect, no? Kasi sometimes we confuse repetition as progress, no? Kasi pag inuulit natin, nakakarinig tayo ng outcome or ng result. But ang nangyayari, di ba, usually kapag hindi natin alam talaga yung ginagawa natin, we're trying to figure something out, the more we repeat it, the more we get stuck. Ganun yung nangyayari. So, para maiwasan natin yan, we have to always be mindful. Diba? Sabi nga natin, mindful practice. And to be mindful when it comes to your practice is kailangan mong intindihin yung nangyayari sa'yo. So, yung figuring out part kasi, ako naniniwala ako na when you're figuring something out, hindi pa yan practice, okay? Hindi ka pa nagpa-practice kapag fini-figure out mo pa, no? You're still tinkering around. Ang practice comes when you figured something out and you're trying to make it work, no? Yun yung dapat na inuulit mo. Kapag tama na yung ginagawa mo, yun ang uulitin mo. Pero pag may mali, always stop and try to analyze things, di ba? Kuwari, may isang passage talagang hindi mo makuha every time nadadapa ka doon. So, try to figure out paano ba linisin yung passage na yun. Bakit ako nadadapa? You ask yourself questions. You try to figure it out without even playing muna, no? So, instead of spending 2 hours na pasada ng pasada, ulit ng ulit, tas laging dun yung mali, spend at least 20 minutes trying to figure out ano ba talaga to. So ako, lagi ko naman sinasabi, practice is not about the hours you spend. Hindi talaga siya naka-quantify ng time, eh. Kasi may mga parts, for example, may mga passages na hindi mo talaga siya makukuha agad, di ba? Na it takes days bago mo ma-figure out. May mga parts na mabilis mo lang maiintindihan, no? So, it's you that create the things that you need to work on. So, in order for you to become good, in order for you to become better, dahan-dahan talaga. Pero, kailangan may plan. No, you plan your practice in a way na, okay, paano ko figure out ko muna to, kung paano ko siya gagawin. And then, you plan your practice doon. Hindi yung tutugtugin mo, pag mali, maiinis ka, ulitin mo na naman. No? Ganun yung common misconception of what a good practice session is, di ba? Hindi ka dapat mapagod lang physically. Sabi ko nga, yung magandang practice yung napagod yung utak natin. Sumakit yung ulo natin ng konti, di ba? Hindi lang yung katawan. Kasi the mind is the one that controls everything. So, kung alam ng isip mo kung ano yung dapat niyang gawin, kung alam niya yung diskarte, kung paano tamaan yung isang bagay, no? Yun na, mas mapapadali na. And then, of course, the thing that is most important about practicing mindfully is that kapag tinamaan mo na yung passage na yan at nakuha mo na siya, mahirap na siya mawala sa'yo kasi nasa'yo na. And ang kapalit nun is every time na dadaanan mo yung ganong klaseng passage, no? Doesn't have to be exactly the same, but it may have the same pattern, no? Kahit ibang key, pero same pattern, alam na ng utak mo kung ano yung gagawin niya. Hindi ka na mag-iisip pa ng mas matagal if ganun ka mag-practice, no? Don't practice with your body. Always practice with your mind. Para mas magbilis yung progress, hindi mo ka masyadong mapapagod, no? And then, the repetition comes in. Kasi, yung repetition, kailangan talaga yan sa mastery, but not in figuring things out. Kailangan bago mo i-repeat ng i-repeat. Kasi, in reality, kapag nagre-repeat tayo, yun yung naaalala natin. 'Di ba? Our brains don't know what's right from wrong. It only knows what we feed it. Kung lagi mong ginagawa, every time na nagpa-practice ka, same part yung mali mo, kahit sa performance, sigurado, yun pa rin ang magiging mali mo. Kasi nako-condition na yung brain natin. So you have to understand ano yung nagkakamali ako, figure out paano mo siya masosolusyonan, no? Kung paano mo maitatama or paano mo malalagpasan with how you think, no? You can only practice or do, no? Act out or play kapag alam mo na yung gagawin mo. So sana nakatulong to. Try it in your next practice session. Try to maybe even write down, no, a practice journal kung ano yung mga ginagawa nyo so that your goals are easily achievable. Diba? Ganun lang kasimple. I mean, simple sabihin pero mahirap talaga gawin. Diba? So sana nakatulong to. Drop a comment below kung may mga katanungan pa tayo. And I'll see you on the next one. Good luck sa inyo.